Set the mask onto a clean surface. Hold the mask securely with one hand and lift the bottom tabs of the filter cover with the other. Remove cover and recycle or dispose of used filter responsibly. If using the thin bioaerosol filter, first install the blue gasket into the mask filter receptacle, making sure to slide the gasket mounting tabs under the clear polycarbonate filter receptacle on each side. If using the particulate filter, first remove the blue gasket from the filter receptacle if installed. Place a new filter into the mask filter receptacle, making sure the filter fills out the space evenly from edge to edge. Note that the lower right corner of the filter is shaped to ensure one-way installation. The printed side of the filter should be on the inside of the mask. Carefully install the filter cover starting at the bottom, pressing firmly on each corner and then the top to ensure a secure seal. Check to make sure the filter has not moved, leaving gaps. If necessary, remove cover and adjust filter.